Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change language on MEXC Global. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your MEXC app, which of course I've done right here. Now the next thing is, how exactly can you download the MEXC app? You can get it on Google Play Store, Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type MEXC and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using this account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on MEXC. So now to really quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to change language on MEXC Global. Now, for you to change the language on MEXC Global, in this homepage, head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that and it takes you here. Now in here you have your fee settings, referral, security, transaction settings, API management, join MEXC community, customer service and support, rate odds, and server selection. Of course, you have switch account and log out. Now go ahead and click on settings. Once you click on settings, it takes you over here. You have language, notification settings, currency, color preference, you have K-line opening price, you have value display format, you have price, change start time, and you have loading windows, app test, clear cache about MEXC. So go ahead and click on language. Now, once you click on language, it takes you to this window where you have a couple of languages that are supported on MEXC. Of course, you have English all the way down to what's below. I cannot pronounce that possibly. So change it to any of these languages of your choice. And once you change it to any of these languages of your choice, you will see that your MEXC application is going to be set to the new language. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.